Okay, so day 3. Believe it or not, I still haven't changed my oil. Yesterday I was about to change my oil. I didn't have the right socket, so I had to buy the right socket. Then I had to buy a ratchet. Ugh! I got the no fuck pants going on, and yeah, whatever I put in this pocket just goes straight through the floor. Whenever you're working on cars, just I think you should always just wear clothes you don't care about if you're working on cars. I'm gonna go now. It's 3:30. I've been under the car. I don't know why the fuck I was freaking out the first day. It's literally a nut, and then there's the washer. Take that out, drains, the filter, take it out, put a new one, put the drain thingy with the new washer in, oil in. Am I missing something? It's a big ass rock. That shit was heavy as fuck. Oh shit. If you're asking what oil I use, I'm just using what's recommended by the dealer. 5W40 synthetic. Yeah, that. Yep, here you go. This is what I had to buy yesterday. I had to buy 19 millimeter for the oil drain plug or nut, whatever thingy, and a ratchet because mine was too small. Oil drain plug gasket, had to buy that too. I'm gonna put a piece of cardboard in between this little jacky thingy, whatever it's called, floor jack, I don't know, on a pinch weld. I don't have wood, so cardboard. Oil's out. Oh fuck, oil got everywhere. That's not good. That is not good. That is not good. I made a mess, as you can see, but oil is coming out. I think there should be a lot more than that. Yeah, I'll wait a couple minutes for that to come out. But yeah, that was a success. I thought it was gonna be harder because I didn't have the extension, but I don't really need one. I'm gonna change the little ring, this ring, change that, and yeah. I thought that was gonna be way harder than it really was, but not really. I have to open up the hood. I have to get ready to take the filter out and put oil in. Alright, film just came by, that was cool. I feel like the oil, I don't know, I'm gonna do my research to see how long I should wait for the oil to drain. Yeah, and then I'll take the, well, I'm just really scared, like I don't want nothing to go wrong. Okay, so I'm going to take out the filter now. I'm probably gonna clean the floor a little bit because there's oil everywhere. Yeah. So I'll do that now. Oh wow, I spilled a lot of oil. Alright, that was my little cousin. Alright, I'm gonna move this here. We're gonna take the oil filter off, so this might get a little messy. Fuck. Please, dear God, I hope this isn't hot. Alright, I'm gonna take my glove off. Fuck it. I'm a man. Oh wow, this is slippery. Oh, how am I gonna take this shit off? Oh, nope. That's not good. That's not good. Alright, if I can't take it off with this, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Cause wow, this really doesn't want to come off. Alright, this guy didn't do nothing special to take the filter out. So I'm just gonna take my head off, go with my right hand. Hopefully this shit comes off. One, do a little twisting motion. 1, 2, bleep. It's not coming off. I'm scared that I won't be able to get this thing off because I need this to come off. Alright, I'm gonna try from up here. Okay, I loosened it. Okay, so this is what I did. I went up. Okay, I went up from up the car. I loosened it a little bit. So now I'm just gonna take the entire thing off from the bottom now. Oil pan. This might get a little messy. Come on. Yep, there's oil everywhere. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. You gotta come off now. Okay, there we go. Holy shit. Fuck. I spilled it on the fucking floor. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bruh. What a fucking experience this shit was. Oh my god. Let me see. Let me turn this up a little bit. Yes, I don't know if you can see, but there's oil everywhere. Oil everywhere. I spilled it all over my fucking hands. Thank God it wasn't hot. Okay. Let's clean everything up. Okay, so what I've read online on a video, once you get the new filter, you want to take your new oil, right? Take your new oil. I'm gonna get rid of this plastic thingy-majigger. Dip your finger in it. Okay, that's good enough. And just put oil around the edges, I guess? I don't know. Hopefully my car starts and doesn't blow the fuck up. I don't know why it will, but I just keep saying that. Scared, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so We got it all lubed up and everything. Time to install this bad boy, I guess. Alright guys, so I just finished editing the video, and yeah, there was a bunch of cringe. I'm really tired, so I don't know if you guys could tell, but yeah, the video was filmed like about 6-7 months ago, and I don't know why I was really scared to change oil. I don't know, but that's just to show that I really don't know what I'm doing. So I'm starting from the bottom, like for real, legitly. I don't know what I'm doing. Eventually, who knows? Maybe I'm doing engine swaps. What will I do with my Jetta? I don't know. I'll let you guys know in the next video or a few videos to come. But yeah, that's it. Leave a like if you liked it. Subscribe. Subscribe if you haven't already. Shout out to my boy Fruit Candy Nation. It is a really weird name, but I don't know. And one of my best friends, we go way back, 5th grade, Aesop Falou. Fucks with you still, heavy. And yeah, I'm gonna be starting a podcast or just a channel, which would be we'll be uploading Monday through Friday, every Monday through Friday. Yeah, so link of that will be in the description down below. Broken telephone, and I'll see you guys.
I'm pulling through your city on some God shit, making plays like Brady in the pocket. I'm like, hold up, what the fuck to hold up? We ain't going anywhere till marijuana rolled up. Only one who don't smoke, but shit is all money with me. You try too hard, you high, funny to me.